Hey everybody, CindyALewis here, and it is time for the Friday giveaway. The last Friday of September, it is September 29th, and the last Friday to be in the drawing for this fun stamp and die set. So let's see who won from the entries. So we've got the entries here in this video, so we're going to fetch it. And we say keyword filter, and the keyword is Friday giveaway. And we're going to allow duplicates because you can enter more than once. And we're gonna get the entries. 101, that's amazing. Okay, so it goes really fast. Let's see who the winner is. Joan Sensing. Congratulations, Joan. That's awesome. I do have your address unless it's changed, Joan, so you don't have to notify me of anything. All right, so let me tell you, October is going to be a fun one. So we're going to do Papercraft die giveaways. And every week I'm giving away this fun nesting die set of all kinds of sizes of oval dies. Now you can use them for templates if you want to, but you've got all these fun dies to use for your crafting. So that's what I have for every single Friday in October. You can use these any time of year. You can even make pumpkins with them. Whatever you'd like to do. So, how do you enter? Well, one thing is you have to put the words Friday giveaway in the comments of this video. You also must be 18 or older, a subscriber to my channel. You do need to put these comment in. You won't just be entered from watching. You can enter every day. You can also enter again if you share, and you can share as many times as you like to. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, just share, and enter. And let's see, is there anything I'm missing? Once a winner's pulled, you do have to comment on your previous comment that you entered to win so that I can get your information from you. So I hope you enjoy the October giveaway. It's going to be this Papercraft fun giveaway. And there you go. And congratulations to Joan who won this last set of Stampin' Dies. So thanks so much for watching. Congratulations, and I hope you'll enter. Bye-bye.